Hey everyone, Spencer here with Mountain Fresh Laundry. Today I want to show you about our folding posts and how to use these. These can be very helpful for folding large comforters, blankets, fitted and flat sheets. So what you do here is a blanket we'll use for example. When it's all unfolded, you can take the two corners, put it together, and it's your choice. It's kind of personal preference. You've got the folded edge or the two corners together. You've got this bottom footstep, so you put on the footstep there, and then you can put the corner under there. You let go so it holds that corner for you. Oh, sorry, I'm a little bit out of practice. So then you can take the other side here, and then you just find your either thirds or quarters. Hold there, come to there, and then push on the lever again, releases it. And then you can take it over here to the folding table, droop it over the folding table, find your half, and finish your fold that way. So that's an easy way to fold your flat sheets or your blankets or your comforters without having to call your friend to hold the other end. So we have these at both our stores here for anybody to use. This here is up here at Carnelian Bay Laundry, but we also have one available down in South Shore at the Ski Run Laundry. And also with the large capacity washers and dryers, you can get a lot of stuff washed, dried, and folded, and help with the folding post here. So another little tip there from Mountain Fresh Laundry. If you'd like to learn more tips or place an order, go to our website at www.mountainfreshlaundry.com. And also please like us on social medias as far as Facebook, YouTube, all that stuff, Twitter. We're all over the place now. So mountainfreshlaundry.com. Thanks a lot.